Alright, so Sony has finally made fool of us, and it's even getting worse. So I already made a video about that, about PlayStation Portal, but guess what? It cannot work in public. I'll just say it out loud and you guys might be wondering how, and trust me, after you watch this video, you will never buy PlayStation Portal, even though if you have like $1 million. So what's happening is, you guys know PlayStation Portal works on a Wi-Fi, right? So let's say you have your PlayStation 5 turned on at your home, you're at the airport, you can't play it. Why? Because it doesn't have internet browser, and you might be wondering what's wrong with it, why you can't play it because of the internet browser missing. So basically what happens is, when you connect to a public network, no matter where you are, if you're at the airport, if you're at a cafe, if you're at Starbucks, no matter where you are where there is public Wi-Fi available, you can't use it on PlayStation Portal because it requires you to sign in. So let's say if I have my phone right here, I go to the airport, I connect it to the Wi-Fi, the airport Wi-Fi is going to ask me to sign into the network in order to use the Wi-Fi. But when you do that on PlayStation Portal, it doesn't work. Why? Because it doesn't have internet browser, and it really sucks. And what's even worse is that a lot of people don't know what PlayStation Portal is. So basically it's just a streaming device that streams your PS5 console games, the games that you have bought on your PS5, and you need to have your PS5 connected to the internet. That's not the issue. You need to have your PS5 on rest mode or turned on, not the issue. But what, you have your PlayStation 5 at home, turn on, connected to the Wi-Fi, you go to the airport, you pull out your PlayStation Portal, guess what, you can't use the Wi-Fi on it. And that is the major problem. And again, a lot of people think it's a console. No, it's not. It doesn't have its own processing power. And what's even ridiculous is that PlayStation Portal is out of stock right now, and on eBay, scalpers are selling it for $300. I wouldn't pay that price even though if I had like $1 billion on my bank account, because it's completely ridiculous. Simply use your phone as the remote play. Download the app on your phone, use the remote play, you'll be all good to go. I know you can't go to the public with the phone because you need to be on the same connection as your PS5 in order to play games on phone. But that's same with the PS Portal. You can't use it on public since the public network is not going to be available. And trust me, mobile hotspot or whatever you call it, it's slow. Even if you have 5G connection, it's going to be so bad that your game is going to lag, going to look choppy. And I already made a video about PlayStation Portal. I thought that's going to be it. But this is another video that I want to tell you guys that Sony is making fool of every single person purchasing the PlayStation Portal. Again, it's not worth it. Trust me, guys. It's ridiculous. $200 for a device that you can't even use outside of your house. I mean, yeah, you can use your phone network. That's slow. You can't use it. You need at least 20 megabits of internet to actually use it in a proper way. That too is going to be so bad. So yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. And I don't know why people are buying it. Why is it out of stock? Maybe it's a Sony did it to make it popular. That's what they did with the PS5. I mean, that's kind of a conspiracy theory, but I'm not gonna get into that detail. But yeah, that's it for today. And I mean, not today, I'll post another video anyway. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.